Hey guys, it's me again. So here's my little white cat that just got like totally intoxicated on catnip. See? Cosmic catnip. She's like eating it out of her little cat bed. She's like, OMG, I'm so insane. She's trying to get it out of the little ball, and she spilled some in the bed. Now she's sniffing it. I do like that kitten. See, there's little holes in the top of the ball. That's what she's trying to get at. Trying to snort it out of there. Yeah, you want that, don't you, little chubber? So, yeah, she's, like, going insane right now. So, yeah. Oh. Yeah, she's trying to pull the cat bed away. In a minute, I'll show you my black cat, who's, like, has this sweet spot right above her tail, and when you scratch it, she's, like, she goes crazy and starts licking whatever she's laying on. So, I'll show you that now. Hi, Tank. Oh, this one might run away. Clipsy, it's okay. Oh, Clipsy. She's, like, extremely antisocial. Yeah, she won't do it, so whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe. Subscribe, this means you.